Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. Simply have to click on Start Lab and wait for the lab to get started. Now from here, just right click and open the Sheets incognito window. And here, it's getting signed in. If it asks for username and password, you can refer to the lab instruction. Now from here, just scroll down and wait for some time. From here, just click on blank spreadsheet. Come down over here. Copy this name. Okay, just copy it. This one you have to copy. And just paste on A shell. Like this. Come back again and check the score for task number 1. From here you can see extension is there. Just click on app script. Wait for this content to add. Okay, so we have to just copy this content, replace it, come back again, copy the email and just replace it from here. Services, just add email. And do we have to add any other thing also? No. If I just see maps is also there. Google Maps is not there. Okay, just leave it. Just save it and just run it. Run it. Review the permission. Select all. And wait for the execution to complete. Try to come over here and just check the score. And you can see we got full score without any issue. Now you can simply end the lab. This is how we completed the lab easily. If you face any issue, you can just click on the send map and then run it again. Thank you. Also, if you get any error, just from here enable the API. Okay, mostly we'll get the score.